everyone. This video is to help you how to set the parameters through wireless setters of die height indicator. You can see from this page the current die height value, the upper limit value and lower limit value in inches unit. The wireless setter data will be a bit different. Now let's begin. First, press the power switch. Press the mode for 3 seconds and the 5 number in red color will flicker, and then press set. The first number 3 will blink and press up to change the number. Press set. The second number 2 will flicker and press up to change the number. Press set again. The third number will blink and press up to change the number. Change the other 2 numbers according this way. Press mode. Then you can see the upper limit in green color will flicker. Press set. The first number 3 flickers, and now press up to change the value. Press set to change the second number. Press up to change the numbers. Press set. The third number flickers. Press up to change the number. Now press mode. Then the lower limit will flicker. Press set to change the first number 2. Press set. The second number will flicker. Press up to change the number. Press mode to enter the second page. You can see the red color and green color. Press mode to enter the others. Press set to change L or R. L means die height value decrease when the transition shaft rotates clockwise. R means die height value increase when the transition shaft rotates clockwise. Set. 2 means accuracy of current die height value is 0.01. 3 means the accuracy of current die height value is 0.001. When you want to set in the inches unit, you have to change the number to 3 and then press mode. This is the password. You can pass it and press mode. And press mode for 3 seconds. And then to save the data, press mode for 3 seconds to save the data. And then press image to transfer the data to the die height indicators. Then you can see the die height value have been changed through our wireless setters.